Samsung's Galaxy S25 Ultra could end up being more expensive than the S24 Ultra, for a pretty simple reason. According to a new rumor out of China, the S25 Ultra's bill of materials, BOM, is at least $110 over that of the S24 Ultra. The source goes on to say that phone makers are primarily interested in profit margins, which means the S25 Ultra will be more expensive to cover that cost difference in many regions across the globe. However, the price in China should remain the same, owing to the cutthroat competition over there. Of course, this is just an unconfirmed rumor at this point, but if the S25 Ultra's BOM is $110 plus higher than its predecessors, then we wouldn't be surprised at all if Samsung tried to pass this on to buyers, at least in part. Interestingly, Samsung has recently been rumored to employ some cost-cutting in the S25 family's display technology. But perhaps that only applies to the other members of the line. The S25 devices should become official in January, either very early or later in the month.
Invincible.